Once again, I am back with this Afghani egg recipe. As this recipe is requested by many viewers, so thought to share a simple way to make this Afghani egg recipe, which is creamy, rich, and delicious. A comfortingly delicious dish made with simple pantry ingredients and a definite cloud pressure. So, hello and welcome back to my channel, and this is Smita. So, let's begin this recipe, which gained lot of attention in recent time. And let's check the ingredients. The ingredients are salt, sugar, chaat masala, cashew, black pepper whole, kasuri methi, coriander leaves. With that, our lovely boiled eggs, cream, yogurt, green chili, ginger, garlic, and onion. Now let's begin this recipe. For this, in a mixer grinder, add 8 to 10 cashew, 5 to 6 black pepper whole, then add 3 to 4 thin ginger slices, 5 to 8 garlic pod, 2 medium sized onion cut into chunk size, and handful of coriander leaves. After adding all this, we need to blend it first. No need to add water. After blending is done with all these ingredients, next we will add some more ingredients. First, add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Then add 3 tablespoons of fresh cream. Now again blend it to make a fine paste and keep aside for the later part of the recipe. Now our base is done. Let's start our cooking part. For this, on the other side, let us take a pan. In this pan, I have added 3 tablespoons of refined oil, and once the oil heat up, I will drop in our boiled egg. Over here, I am using 8 pieces of egg. Fry them with little salt until it turns light golden from all the sides in a medium-high flame. Though don't forget to flip the eggs upside down so that it turns golden from all the sides evenly. And once this egg are done, now remove it from the pan, and into that same oil we will add the paste which we had done just now. But before adding the paste, we need to add 2 green cardamom and few sticks of cinnamon. And once it start to crackle, then add the paste which you had done at the beginning of the recipe. Quickly stir it well, or else it will stick at the bottom of the pan. After stirring it for 1 to 2 minutes, then add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add 1.5 teaspoon of chaat masala. If you don't have this, you can also add amchur powder. Add salt according to your taste bud. Now quickly stir it well and then cover and cook in a very low flame until the raw smell goes away and oil start to release at the top. After 4-5 minutes, you will see this. Now at this stage, again stir well, then add half cup of water, or add water according to the need of your curry base. After adding water, then add the fried egg, stir well, and again cover and cook in a very low flame for another 5 minutes. Now at last, open and check. Stir it well, and at the end we need to add few more ingredients so as to enhance its taste, and this will give you a delicious and marvelous taste. For that, we need to add 2 to 3 green chili, break it and throw it in the pan. Then add 1 tablespoon of dry kasuri methi rub in your both hand to enhance its taste and sprinkle it from top. Then cover and give a standing time of 10 minutes before serving it. So before serving it, just give a makeover with 1 green chili and few drops of fresh cream so it looks marvelous. Now serve it with roti or naan. And those who are new in my channel, what do you think? This egg curry is little different from the regular one? Then don't forget to subscribe my channel Cooking Story and hit the bell icon so whenever I upload new recipes, you get the notification first. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy cooking. See you again. Bye-bye.